So we're seeing a clustering of cases occurring within the corporate area, and the Cabinet met this morning to discuss the issues thoroughly, and we got a thorough briefing from the CMO and the Minister of Health and the Permanent Secretary in the Ministry of Health. And we have decided that we will take some additional measures. So, effective tomorrow evening at 7 p.m. until September 2, 2020, for the parishes of Kingston, St. Andrew, St. Catherine, and Clarendon, the new curfew hours will begin at 7 p.m. in the evening to 5 a.m. the following morning, repeated until September the 2nd at 5 a.m. Why do we use curfew measures in the management of a pandemic? As you all know by now, the virus cannot move on its own. The virus is spread by people who are infected, gathering, greeting, embracing, coming into close contact, but also sharing transportation space and moving about. If we limit movement, we have a greater chance of limiting spread. And the curfew does help to limit movement, particularly at nights, and that has been very effective in the management of the pandemic. But that comes, as you can well imagine, with the added consideration that it does have an impact on the economy. And many persons who work in the quick service industry would be affected. Citizens would now have to readjust their normal schedules. But this is what we have to do if we do not have consistent observation and almost religious following of the infection prevention and control.